Hi, I'm Mr. Koh. Actually, I'm from Penang. We are thinking of moving here to this new place, Puchong here. So happened that we work very well with Signature Pavilion Bukit Jalil. They deliver a very good end product to us. So actually, I plan to buy this house. Initially, empty house turned to very nice with the signature products. So actually, we are very happy with the end result that we are getting. In fact, whole house, every single corners actually is what I like and what my wife like as well. But if you want me to pick one, of course, living area is definitely one of my favorite. The reason why is actually living area is where you connect with your families. That is how I connect with my wife, spend more time with my wife, with our common interest. While watching the series here in a relaxing area, relaxing design that we have. Alright, initially we picked one of the designs more classic English base and go with the green color. Eventually, after a certain period of time, we think that maybe it's not really suitable and the design not sustainable in that sense. So that we change to the design that you are currently seeing setting up in our house. I think with the modular design that Signature has, increase the flexibility in terms of the design phase and also in terms of planning. Installation, of course, definitely is really helpful. In fact, today, if I want to change the design, they can use a different design and swap out easily rather than hacking entirely and do it again. So I think that is the beauty of the Signature design. Wow! 这个就是我第一次的 impression 去你们的 Signature 的 showroom。第二个呢，就是我觉得你们的那个 design 真的是有点特别，虽然是看得很简单，不过有了那个灯光效果，然后那个物质的品质，然后它那个设计的概念，完全配合到在某个角度，在某个的地方都很适合应用。I would like to take this opportunity to thank Signature Pavilion Bukit Jalil. In fact, the team is efficiencies. In fact, the ideas that they are provided to us very rounded. In fact, we really encourage those who intend to design in the futures. Please engage them. I think this is very important. It's a mutual discussion among the customers and the Signature side of it. So, well, this is a very key part of it.